We move to the fourth stanza of the poem Any Woman. I am the twist that holds together the children in its sacred ring. Their note of love, from whose close tether no lost child goes a wandering. The poet says the mother is the twist that holds together. What is the meaning of that? Mother is just like a rope that twists and holds the family together, binds the family together with its note. The mother binds the members of the family together with the note of love. Here, the sacred ring means the family. So, the mother holds the members of the family together in the sacred ring by the note of love. Now, look at the screen. You can see how the bead is safe in the note. The binding force is the love of the mother. Next line is from whose close tether. Tether means connect. The word is familiar to you. You have heard hotspot tethering. So, in short, the mother's love is the tethering force, the connecting force that binds the family together in a ring and nobody will be out. The poet says that no child will go away from home with a lack of love. The mother's love will make him stay to his home. When a child does not get the mother's love, he will move away from the home. He may feel insecure and he will be forced to leave the home. He will wander in many places because of the lack of love from the mother. In the coming stanzas, the poet says that she is the house from floor to roof. That means from top to bottom, her presence is felt. Floor to roof is an idiomatic expression which means top to bottom. In the coming lines, the poet explains the various duties done by her at home. She decorates the walls. Then she spreads the board to serve the food. Look at the picture. She is spreading the board to make the bread. So, preparing food. And after that, she is spinning the curtain of her home, warp and woof, the lengthwise and breadthwise threads are referred here. That is how we make clothes. And then she makes bed out of feathers. With soft feathers, she will make soft bed for her children. Look at the picture. Shake down to be the bed. The mother herself becomes the bed for the child. And in the coming stanzas, she says how she protects her home. She acts as a wall against all dangers. A wall protects the members from the dangers, and she acts as a door against the wind and snow. And then she says she is just like the Mother Mary who gave birth to Jesus Christ. Infant Jesus was born in a manger. Manger is the place where the food is kept for animals. Look at the picture on the screen. This is called a manger. Jesus Christ was born in a manger. Even the God was born to a mother, and the nobility of mother is enforced here. Her prayer to God is, "Take me not till the children grow." Her prayer is for her children, not for herself. She lives her entire life for the children. She never prays for herself, but she always prays for the welfare of her children. That is a nobility of motherhood. Wind and snow represents the hardships and problems that we come across in our life. It is a symbolic expression. The poem portrays woman as the focal point of the family.